Oh Allah the Almighty, Allahu Allah, protect me and guide me, Allahu Allah, oh, to your love and mercy, Allahu Allah, Ya Allah, don't deprive me, Allahu Allah, from beholding your beauty, Allahu Allah, oh my Lord, accept this plea, Allahu Allah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You're welcome to today's episode of HalalNest by Mosque. On this show, we take you through an interview segment. You get to meet with an expert or scholar to teach us something we don't know or remind us of something we already know. What did you do differently this week? Did you learn anything new? Did you consciously set out to learn, improve your knowledge, read a verse of the Quran or anything? If you didn't the past week, how about you coming to do something like that this week? And let's set you on that note with this interview segment. After the interview segment, we'll bring you a campaign of the week, and then we'll go to Streetwise Muslims. Right now, let's go and take nuggets from our scholar on the interview segment. Stay with us. You're welcome back. We are talking about Takaful, and that is the alternative to insurance. It's a secure and a safer, more beneficial way, if I quote you correctly, if I'm a good student of yours, it's a better way to share risk as opposed to transferring it, in which case when you don't claim, you lose it all. You know, it's winner takes it all. In this case, we share. So you did say that in the case of the premium you pay, it does two functions. The insurance company or the Takaful company in this case
is a manager
managing it. So there's
on your behalf.
Investment bits that you get a share of.
Yes, is managing the fund on your behalf. So you can either go for what we call the Wakala model. Wakala model is the insurance company takes its own management fee upfront from the contribution you make. So whatever is the outcome of the business at that in the first year, if there is a surplus in what we call the risk fund, because what you are giving to the Takaful outfit will be divided into two, the risk fund and investment fund. Whatever is the outcome of that transaction at the end of the year, if it ends up as a surplus, the surplus belongs to the participants, the insurance company, all the participants.
Whether or not
if they make claim, if they don't make claim, they are going to be compensated. But if they make claim, they may not be. You understand? So. But if you also opt for the Mudoraba model, which is profit and loss, at the end of the year, they are going to share with the Takaful outfit.
So if you look at
60-40, 50-50, whatever has been agreed in the policy document is what they're going to share with the Takaful outfit.
I understand the way the motor vehicle works. So let's talk about something like life policy, for example. How does that work? Does it work differently? Because in my mind, as a Muslim, I'm thinking, why am I insuring my life? After all, it's with Allah. How does it play out?
What plays out is that when you are doing life Takaful, we call it family Takaful, family business. What happens is I'm making provisions for my family in case of demise. If I die, I wouldn't want to leave my family in penury. There's something waiting for them. I can also ensure my children's education so that if I die, my children, their education will not be disrupted. You understand? If I want to go on Hajj, I can plan for it. I want to do marriage, I can plan for it. I want to build my own house, I can plan for it. So that I'm putting something on ground, invested through Islamic Sharia-Compliant instruments. You know? So something will be there for me. If I die, the Takaful outfit will take over the payment of my mortgage.
So
we do
from
sort.
all that I've heard, it does seem like the beneficiary is us, with the regular public. What is the need for the Takaful company, and on the other hand, what challenges do they face?
Takaful companies, if they opt for the Wakala model, they have taken their
Fees up
front. Because in Takaful, you don't mingle the funds. The Takaful for the participant is separate from the shareholders' funds. You understand? The shareholders use their own money to run the business, and they collect their income comes from management fees that they collect from the fund. And if it is Mudoraba, the share of profit with the participants will go to them. So, and if they perform excellently well in a particular year, that's what we call performance bonus that they also earn. So,
are there specific challenges that this type of companies face?
Yes, lack of awareness and acute shortage of manpower.
When you say manpower, experienced people that understand how Takaful
works. Because most of the time you have people in the conventional being converted to Takaful workers. You understand? You don't have people who, many of them are not around,
so
who are literate in the conventional.
You are a prof in the insurance space. You're also a guru in the non-interest finance space. What are you doing to address this dearth of manpower?
Yes, that's why we have IIFP, Institute of Islamic Finance Professionals, and other bodies. What we do basically is to advocate for more and more people to come on board. And we do research, we do advocacy, consultancy, research, and membership to drive awareness. And it's an ongoing thing. It's an ongoing thing. So it's for us to, those who are have also come in to serve as ambassadors for it. And this is not peculiar to Nigeria. It's a global problem that more and more people need to come on board so that we can address, because many Muslims don't know that it exists. But it exists. In Nigeria today, we have 4 full-fledged Takaful outfits. We have Jais, we have Ilal, we have Nuru Takaful, we have Salam. They are all operating. So more and more Takaful outfits are coming on board. And I think the space is getting wider. And it doesn't discriminate. Anybody can come on board. It doesn't ask you your religion. It is religion blind. You can come in once you are ready. And there are many non-Muslims too coming on board this. I tell you, many of the Takaful outfits are owned by shareholders that are non-Muslims.
Indeed. Alhamdulillah, thank you so much for chatting with us, and I am better enlightened. I trust that you are better enlightened, and next time that you're going to take your motor vehicle insurance, how about you try one of these 4 that Prof mentioned: Nur Takaful, Hilal, Salam, and
Jais.
Jais, of course, Jais Takaful. Try them, a trial will convince you. I've been a beneficiary in the past. Rest assured, if you do not take out any policy in the course of the year, something will come back to you. I've received something in the past and it's true, it's for real. Try it out. And this is how far we can go on this segment. The rest of the show continues. Stay with us.
Are you in need of raising funds for your humanitarian or personal projects? At Mosque, we understand the importance of making a difference in people's lives. With Mosque, raising funds is now easy. Visit our website at www.moxpay.org to simply create a campaign for your cause and connect with a global community that cares. So, what are you waiting for? Start your fundraising journey with MoxPay today. MoxPay, sharing goodness.
You're welcome back. This is where we take you to one of the campaigns that we're running. This is a cause test to my heart. Let's learn more about this team. Stay with us.
Central Mosque yìí sì ó ti ń wà bí it's over 80 years tí ó ti wà. Àwọn tá dẹ̀ ń lò ládùúgbò yìí náà pọ̀ díẹ̀ nítorí òun náà ni the only Central Mosque tí a ní ń bí. Mọ́ṣáláṣí bó dẹ̀ ṣe kéré tó yìí náà àti bó ṣe tóbi tó yìí, àwọn èèyàn tó ń gbà is close to 1,000 jọmọ́. Gbogbo ìta yìí ni la máa ń dúró sí débi títì. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni àwọn èèyàn máa ń dúró sí láti kírun. a dẹ̀ ń fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́ lórí mọ́ṣáláṣí torí kì í ṣe nǹkan tí apá wa ká nìkan, kí Ọlọ́run kí ó ran ẹnìkankan wa lọ́wọ́.
Nígbà tí ìlú ń lálẹ̀ yìí fún Muslim community, there were 2 churches tí wọ́n lálẹ̀ fún. And nípara lẹ́ni, churches tó wà nípara will not be less than 20. Central Mosque kan ẹyọ kan ṣoṣo lání. Tí mọ́ṣáláṣí bá wà, ó rọrùn fún wa láti pèpè sínú ìjọ ẹ̀ pé mọ́ṣáláṣí kan súnmọ́lé ẹ̀, ó yá lọ kírun bẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ká tiẹ̀ jọ ṣe mọ́ṣáláṣí central wa ẹ̀ ká ṣe kó jọjú kó wuyì kéèyàn wọ bẹ̀ kínú ẹ̀ dùn kálejò dé kán bá wa kírun kan ní mùsùlùmí ni wọ́n ní para. Lẹ́yìn tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú blọọkì tí a ti ṣe àti náwó tó tó 4.5 million naira. But a ṣì ń wò ó wípé a ṣì máa ní ìdí owó tó tó 8 million naira láti kúrò níbi tá a wà yìí. So a ń tọrọ nítorí Ọlọ́run nítorí Allah pé kẹ́ ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́, kẹ́ ẹ dákun, kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ìpè wa láti wá sọ mọ́ṣáláṣí wa yìí di mọ́ṣáláṣí ìgbàlódé.
Those who have the means, let them help us so that we will be able to complete this edifice, so that we will even be able to show this is Ipara Central Mosque compared with the churches around us that started around the same time.
Are you tired of POS systems that slow down your business and hinder your growth? Say goodbye to those frustrations and say hello to ZP World POS. ZP World POS is designed to keep your business running smoothly, so you can focus on what you do best, serving customers. With ZP World POS, you'll never miss a sale and you'll always stay ahead of the competition. With ZP World POS, you get up to 3% cash back on airtime and data, up to 1% on utilities payment, and also 1% on pay TV services. For further inquiries, you can contact any ZP World Zonal Manager in your area or call 090-201-95199 to get your ZP World POS today, or visit our website at www.zpworld.net. Upgrade to ZP World POS today and watch your business thrive. ZP World, powered by Macrotel Innovations Limited.
This probably is your most favorable segment, and this is the Streetwise Muslim. I'm going to take you now to meet with Amir. Let's see what other Muslims like you and I have to say about this. Amir, it's over to you.
No, now if you are walking away with emptiness. Yes.
Empty?
Yes. Alright, if you do not get it, I collect my 500 naira back.
Oh, no, don't worry.
I want to ask that the son of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Ibrahim, who is his mother? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Amir Harun and you are welcome to another edition of Streetwise Muslim. I'll be asking you 3 questions. For each round of the question, you are entitled to winning 500 naira. But after getting the first question, if I should ask, you have an opportunity of walking away with the cash prize, or you wait for another question. If I ask you the next question and you do not get it, I get to collect my money back. Are you ready for that?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, very simple questions. The first question I will be asking is that the Tawaf, circumambulation of the Kaaba, how many rounds do we go for it during Hajj?
7.
MashaAllah. 2 is, do you want to go for more? Another round?
Yes.
Nah, alright. So the next question is that the son of the Prophet Ibrahim, who is his mother? Now,
son.
the son of Prophet
He had
Ibrahim.
two sons, so which of them?
Ibrahim. I'm specific about Ibrahim. Who is his mother?
Prophet Ibrahim.
No. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His son Ibrahim. What is the name of his mother?
Ibrahim.
Yes.
Oh, the son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Yes, Ibrahim, the son of Prophet Muhammad. What's the name of his mother?
His mother. Khadija.
Well, talk to the mic, please.
Khadija.
Are you sure of that?
I'm not really sure, but I chose Khadija.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Now, Khadija gave birth to 6 children of the Prophet, but she was not the mother of Ibrahim. So I get to collect my money back. Jazakumullah khair. The first question I'm going to be asking you is that how many rounds do we have in Tawaf? Circumambulation of the Kaaba. We go how many times?
7.
Speak to the...
7.
7. Are you sure? Is this 7 or 7.5?
7.
Now, mashallah, I've gotten that question right.
Alhamdulillah.
So now,
Allah.
do you want to go for the next one?
Yeah, let me go. Please don't give me hard questions.
Alright, if you do not get it, I collect my 500 naira back.
Oh, no, don't worry.
Yeah, I don't do it again.
I'm not doing
You want to
it.
say alhamdulillah to that?
I am doing it.
Alright, Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.
Now, the first question that I'll be asking you, every question is simple. The first one is that the Tawaf, circumambulation of the Kaaba, how many times do we do that?
7 times.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's 7?
Yes.
Or
7 times.
you are sure?
Yes.
Nah, mashallah. So you have a potential 500 naira.
Okay.
We'll move on to the next question. Are you ready for that?
No problem.
Or you want to walk away?
If I walk away, how much is that money?
You walk away with 500 naira. But if you stay for a potential 1,000 naira or 1,500 naira.
That's a huge risk.
Now,
Let's continue.
all right. Now the next question, very easy, is about the Prophet and his household. I want to ask that the son of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Ibrahim, who is his mother?
Ibrahim.
Now,
Hey, I don't know. I know it's not Khadija, Sha. I know it's not Khadija.
you can guess from the wives of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You might be correct. Hafsa. Nah, Jazakumullah khairan. Hafsa never gave birth to a child of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So now,
You don't go with that.
now you have missed it. I said it's a potential money, and you could have chosen to walk away from that. But alhamdulillah, I took the risk, and I'm happy I have to keep my money. Jazakumullah khairan.
Are you in need of raising funds for your humanitarian or personal projects? At Mosque, we understand the importance of making a difference in people's lives. With Mosque, raising funds is now easy. Visit our website at www.moxpay.org to simply create a campaign for your cause and connect with a global community that cares. So, what are you waiting for? Start your fundraising journey with MoxPay today. MoxPay, sharing goodness.
Now, the first question I'm asking you is that the tawaf around the Kaaba, how many times does it take place? How many times does it hold?
7 times.
Nah, mashallah, that's very, very fast. So I'm scared that you are going to be getting the next question. Next question is that Ibrahim, the son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, can you tell me who his mother is?
Maryam al-Kibitiyya.
Are you sure with that answer?
Yes, sir.
Is it Maryam?
Yeah, Maryam.
Maryam or Maria?
Maria al-Kibitiyya.
Final answer.
Yes, sir.
Well, that was correct. Now, are you choosing to leave, or I should ask you another question?
I'm choosing to leave. I want to be cool.
Consider the risk. It's a worthy risk.
No, I want to work with her.
Now I'm Jazakumullah khairan, and I'm going to be giving you not 500 naira but 1,000. Thank you very much.
Jazakumullah khairan, sir.
Now, Bismillah. The first question I will be asking you is that the Kaaba, tawaf around it, circumambulation of the Kaaba, how many times do we do?
It's 7 times.
MashaAllah. Now you have your prize. Now, you have a tentative prize. So, are you ready to go into the next question?
Let's go.
All right. Now, the question is that Ibrahim.
Alayhi salam.
Now, not that Ibrahim. Ibrahim, the son of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Can you tell us who his mother is?
Who is his mother?
Yes.
Khadija.
MashaAllah. Khadija gave birth to 6 children for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but fortunately or unfortunately, Ibrahim is not one of them. Jazakumullah khairan. Thank you very much for your time. Now, my first simple question, everything is simple. My first simple question is that the tawaf around the Kaaba, when people go for Hajj or Umrah, how many times does it take place? How many times do you do the tawaf?
You do the tawaf. I think there is tawaful ifadah.
No, that's just one tawaf. How many times do you circumambulate the Kaaba?
You circumambulate, I think, 7 times.
Do you think or you know?
Yes.
You are sure?
Yes.
Naam, that is correct. The next simple question, are you going for it or you want to move away? You want to walk away with your prize?
Let me try.
Naam, you are trying, so you do not have any prize at the moment.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Naam, Bismillah. Very simple question again about the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and his household. Ibrahim, the son of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Who is his mother?
Ibrahim and Khadija. I think this wife, Maria, yeah.
Maria.
Yeah.
Is there somebody named Maria?
Yes, now he's a Jewish lady that the prophet.
Let me not stress you. You obviously know your onions, and that is correct.
Alhamdulillah.
So, are you going for another round, or you want to walk away now?
Inshallah.
You want to take the risk?
No.
I like you. Very worthy risk. The next question, very simple also.
Okay.
Who is the father of Amina, the mother of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
The father of Amina, the mother of prophets. Was the Prof.
Nah, I can see you are regurgitating it from the books of Syria.
Try to.
So Amina is the mother of Prophet Muhammad.
No.
Who is her father?
Bintu Abdul Wahab. No. Wahab, I think.
Don't think. Tell me your answer.
Forgotten.
Do you want to walk away?
Let me walk away.
No. Now, if you are walking away, you are walking away with emptiness.
Ooh.
Yes.
Empty.
Yes.
Okay, let me just try because
you just have to try. You don't have a choice.
I think Abdul Wahab.
Final answer, Abdul Wahab.
Forgotten, but I think he's Wahab.
Wahab, final answer.
No.
Not Abdul Wahab. Now, obviously, before the time of prophets, people do not name their people after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
No.
So, first winner for today, and you are leaving with 1,500 naira.
Jazakumullah khairan. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah.
Now,
Jazakumullah khairan.
alright, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi.
You're welcome. This video is brought to you by Mosque.
You're welcome back. Yeah, I did tell you I was going to bust your brain literally, and I'm still yet to recover. Me and my crew, we've gone banter, serious banter. Hey, what would you do? What will I do? I know what I'll do, and what would you do? And this is where I'm going to leave you off on X. Go there right now and tell us what would you do, and defend yourself as much as you can. Don't care about what other people are saying. At the end of the day, it's you and your Lord, and you are sure of how you stand with your Lord and all of that. But I did say to my team, and I said, subhanAllah, we have trivialized sin. Everything has become normalized. Sin has become so commonplace that we don't even know what is right from what is wrong. And so from that lens, we tend to neutralize whatever, gravity of whatever sin that we think we're committing. We're always quick to dismiss it. However, I'm not a saint here. Chat with us on our social media pages, Instagram, Mosque Pay, on YouTube and Facebook, Mosque Pay, on X, Mosque Pay 1. Let's carry on the conversation. Don't let it end here. Head on to www.mosquepay.org right now. Find any of the campaigns that suits your interest. And of course, you can also create a campaign. Join us same time next week. We're going to bring another beautiful package. Until then, stay blessed.